Hello everyone. Every tip you're going to hear in this video has been verified by expert mechanics, so relax. We're going to solve this together. When the message "Parking Assist Malfunction" appears on your Toyota, the first thing you think is that something broke, but in reality, the vehicle is just being cautious. The parking assist system relies on sensors located on the front and rear bumpers, and if they can't send clear signals to the control module, the system automatically shuts off. Many mechanics agree that most of the time, this message appears because of something simple, not because a sensor is broken. One of the most common causes is dirt on the sensors. Dust, mud, ice, or even insect debris can block the sensor waves and make the system think something is wrong. Several customers confirmed that after carefully cleaning each sensor with a soft cloth and a little water, the message disappeared and the assist system worked normally again. This shows that many times the solution is right in front of you. This also explains why the alert sometimes appears after a pressure wash or heavy rain. Moisture trapped around the sensors can temporarily confuse them. Some people noticed that after driving a few minutes and allowing the sensors to dry, the message disappeared on its own, confirming that the problem wasn't serious. If the message persists even with clean sensors, the cause may be in the wiring or connectors. Over time, connectors can loosen, corrode, or accumulate dirt, interrupting communication between the sensors and the control module. Many mechanics fix this by checking, cleaning, and securing the connectors, restoring the system without needing to replace anything. Another common situation is a weak battery or unstable voltage. The system needs constant power, and if the battery is low, the electronic modules may interpret it as a fault and shut the system down as a precaution. Replacing or recharging the battery solved the problem in several cases reported in forums. Sometimes, the issue is related to sensor calibration. After a minor bump, a large pothole, or a bumper repair, the sensors can become misaligned. Even a small misalignment is enough for the system to detect an error. Recalibrating the sensors with the proper diagnostic tool is usually the definitive solution. There are also cases where the message appears alongside other dashboard alerts, indicating that the issue may be in a shared control module. Reading the codes from all modules with a specialized scanner helps identify whether it's a communication problem or a specific sensor issue.